Y'all, after my rant video, I decided that I should make a video for those of you that did stick around, that subbed to me on that whole deal, that sub for sub deal. And this is for anybody starting out a YouTube channel, or anybody in general, out there that wants to take this information for what it's worth. Now, I have put some of these practices into place a few times, and I know that they do work. I haven't stuck through with them. If you want to make a channel grow, if you want to have your channel big, it takes a lot of work. Jumping on this subs for sub game, that's not, you'll get subscribers, but are you getting people that are interested in your content, that's going to share your videos? And if they do, are they sharing your videos to people that are like-minded, that are interested, or are you just putting a share out because that's the thing to do? You got to focus when you're going to have a channel. You got to focus on people that are like-minded, that are going to enjoy your content. Those are the ones that you want to focus on. It's kind of crazy of me to go to a vegetarian channel, let's say, and me start promoting, smoked meat and stuff or whatever. Maybe there's some stuff that vegetarian channel would like of mine on my channel, but for the most part, they're not going to like it. Or it's kind of crazy for a home shopping person that likes to go to Dollar General or whatever to come over to my, I just don't relate with it. So you have to identify what who your audience is going to be. Yep, I'm going to grab the other lighter. I got to refill that sucker up. But you need to identify who your audience is going to be. And to do a sub for sub deal, and I believe me, I'm not knocking Lunatic Dad or Green Bay Wacky. I think they have great channels. I mean, they've put a lot of work and a lot of effort into it. So I'm not knocking them as individuals. But it's kind of ironic to go to their channel and do the sub for sub thing and think that you're going to have good views and people that's going to like your content and it's going to share it. You go over there, you sub that person's channel, and you don't even know what you're subbing. You don't know what it's all about. All you're interested is in this popularity contest. I got 30,000 subscribers. I got 100,000 subscribers. Well, usually the people that do the sub for subs, they don't get that high. They'll drop out long before, unless they actually start putting out some content that was worthy of people to start subscribing to. And I'm not trying to proclaim that my channel is one of those that's ever going to be big. I don't put out worthy content. I don't put the effort on into my videos themselves. Well, I like making the videos, but I'm not interested in them and turning them professional. I every now and then I like to try to do all I can to make a really good video. And when I say really good video, I'm talking about a really good video in my opinion. It might not mean anything to you. That, oh, that's, sometimes I just like doing that, but that's for my entertainment, not for anybody else's. But in order to make your channel grow, what has worked for me was going to other channels, other sawmill channels, gardening channels, homesteading channels, outdoor channels, and just leaving comments. Relative comments to let them know that I'm not only am I there, that I actually watched your video. I might ask a question. Now, usually I don't leave comments anymore, but the way you make a channel grow is you leave lots of comments. You get to know those people on those other channels, and people start pretty soon, and the ones that are reading your comments, those are the people that are reading the comments. They're the ones that are watching the videos. So if somebody reads your comment, you know that they watched that video, and if you have a like-minded interest, they're going to say, there's a good chance that they're going to say, hey, you know what? I want to check this guy's channel out. And I've had a number of people subscribe to me because I left comments on other people's channels. Keep your comments positive. People aren't looking for negative. Well, I've done the negative deal, and I got lots of subscribers that way too. Most people don't want those type of subscribers. I could care less. It doesn't bother me at all. But if you leave nice comments, it gets people's attention. The people's attention that you want to attract. Leave positive comments on their channels. And if you have a video that you can suggest, hey, you know what, I got a video just like that. Now, I don't know about other people's channels. I'm only speaking for me on my channel. I don't care if people post links on my channel and my threads underneath my videos. If you want to promote your channel on my video, that doesn't mean, you know, I might click on it and check. Well, I definitely will click on it to see if I want to leave it on up there, because obviously if you're putting up some porn or something like that, I don't want that in my threads. So I do kind of keep an eye on that. But I'm perfectly, you know, I love the YouTube community of supporting each other. But supporting each other isn't sub for sub. Supporting each other is, you come into my channel, watch my video, saying, hey, you know what, I really like that. You know what, I think you would enjoy this video, and drop that, your favorite video or something in my threads and say, hey, you know what, Grizz, watch this video. I think you don't even have to, don't even ask me to sub. If I like the video, then of course I want to check out the rest of your content. And if I like the rest of your content, of course I want to subscribe. If I don't like your content or I don't like your video, that does not mean that you don't have a great channel and don't put out great videos. It just means that it's not my cup of tea. We're all different. But spend your time leaving comments on other people's videos. Drop links to your videos. Give them hints. Now, most people, you know, a lot of people on YouTube, what they're going to do is they're going to say, you know, another link. And they might just shine it off, and they might not even let it go through. They might just go into the spam box, and they might just delete it or something like that. So what if they do? It's their loss. It's the way you got to look at it. But get on out there and make yourself known that way. Show people that you're supporting them. Don't tell them they're supporting. You know, this whole deal about, I supported you. You know, they leave that comment on the thread. I supported you. Please support me back. What is that anyway? You have to tell me that you supported me? Is that all you got to say to me? Is that all that you thought of the video that you just supported me on? That all you can say is, I supported you, please support me back? That's actually quite a rude thing to say to somebody. It means that, you know what, your video wasn't worth commenting on, but please come on over here and I'll show you what a good video is. You know, it's actually an insult to people. You know, so I would strongly suggest, don't leave comments like that there. If you want people to know that you're supporting them, just leave comments on their videos, although all the ones that you watch are theirs, and it doesn't mean you have to watch every single one of their videos or even half their videos. I know a lot of my subscribers, you know, I probably only, on average, only 1/10 of my subscribers watch my videos. On average, is what I see in analytics. And that's fine too. You know, I'm not opposed to that. But you know what? Every single one of my subscribers watch one of my videos sooner or later. So I don't mind having the subscribers, as long as they subscribe me for a reason that they say, hey, you know what, he puts out some videos from time to time that I want to watch. And that's to deal with the people that I subscribe. I might not like all of your content, but I see a few videos that I like, and I say, you know what, I know he's going to produce another one that I want to like, so I'll go ahead and subscribe. I might not watch your next 20 videos. I'll see them pop up on my suggested videos list, my subscriptions list. And if it doesn't look entertaining to me, I'm not going to watch it, because you know what? I've got a lot of people I'm subscribed to, and I can't watch everybody's videos. I also have the videos that, or the subscribers that I'm subscribed to, that whether they're subscribed to me or not, and a number of them are not subscribed to me, I'm going to watch every single one of their videos because they're that good anyway. And that's what I mean when I say YouTube is my entertainment. It's my TV. You know, I'm not going to watch a TV show just because maybe my cousin's on this TV show over here. Well, if that TV show is not something that I'm interested in, I don't care if it's my cousin, my mom, or my dad. I don't care who's on that TV show. I'm not going to watch it. I'm not going to support it. Doesn't mean it's a bad TV show. Just means it's something I'm not into. But but I also am going to watch things that I want to watch, stuff that entertains me. So, I hope y'all can take something from this and just say, hey, you know what? I get it. Sub for sub does not work. I got to get out there and get people to know me. I got to start leaving my comments for each other, for everybody, and give them encouragement. Tell them what I'm doing. I mean, I have no problem if I'm in somebody's stream, and I know they do a lot of sub for sub type of stuff in Lunatic Dads and Green Big Wacky Channel. If I'm over there, I keep on saying, hey, I don't play the sub for sub game. If you want me to view your channel, come over to my channel and drop a comment. Say, hey, you know what? My channel is about I like to go motorcycle riding and travel across the country, and I go see some scenic stuff. Or my channel is about Home Shopping Network, or just whatever. Just leave a comment and even drop a video link to what you're describing there. And if you do that, I want to read. But for me to go to one of those live streams and me start clicking on people and going to go start checking out their channel, then I lose the chat that's going on. It's no longer about me going on in there and having fun and razzing people and teasing other people and just having a good time, because that's what I like to do in those chat rooms, is just go there and have a good time. I'm not hunting subscribers, and I'm not there to subscribe people. However, if you're on in there and you're being funny and Chad, cracking a lot of jokes or saying different stuff that interests me, then I am likely to go check out your channel, and if I like your channel, I will subscribe. But all in all, I am not there to go looking for channels to subscribe to. I'm looking for interaction with people just to joke around and have fun. So don't ruin YouTube or your own channel by doing the sub for sub thing, because it really is harmful to yourself. It looks good on paper at first. You get 4,000 or 5,000 subscribers, and you're thinking, oh wow, I'm doing great. But you take a look at my channel, for instance. I got 2,000 subscribers thereabouts, give or take a little bit. It's been going up and down quite a bit, as it should be. And I get 100, maybe 200 views. And then I look at other channels that have less views than mine. I'm going to take Peoria dude, Bubblehead Homestead, for instance. Last time I looked, he has less subscribers than me, but he consistently gets 400, 500, 600 views per video. Why is that? I got 2,000 subscribers. He's got just under 2,000. I think it was 1,800 subscribers. I get 200 views, and it takes me a long time to get those 200 views. And in a week's time, he's got 400 to 600 views on his channel. Why is that? Well, for one thing it's his content that he's putting out. He's putting out stuff that people want to see. Is he a professional at it? Heck no, he's a normal guy. He's just a regular dude. He's got his problems in life just like a lot of other people do. And he's out there making his content. To my knowledge, he's never ever done the sub for sub thing. I have. That's part of the difference. Is the people that he's connected with wasn't through sub for sub. He got his subscribers the hard way, where he went out there and went to work for them. He earned them. Doing a sub for sub thing is not earning your subs. So anyway, I think that's about all I got to say about that. The best way to grow your channel is work for it and earn it. Just like Peoria dude, Bobblehead Homestead. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye!